Hi guys, very good morning. So let's start the session. Let me share the screen. Okay. So we are going to start with artificial intelligence. Okay. Now let's see that what is this artificial intelligence and how is it useful and what are the things it will be doing for us. Okay. Now, uh, artificial intelligence means, again, there are a lot of definitions are there. So now let's talk about a simple and normal way. So artificial intelligence is a field of computer science which is used to build intelligent machines capable of performing the task which requires human intelligence. Okay, so I will put it as it is um, artificial intelligence is a field of computer science which is used to build intelligent machines capable of performing tasks which require human intelligence. Okay, it can be considered as, okay, it can be considered as a science which is used to develop intelligent machines which behaves like humans, or it is a technique, or you can consider it is a process of developing intelligent machines which can behave like human. Is a process of developing intelligent machines which behave like humans. Okay, behaves like humans and displays um, intelligence which simulates human intelligence. You can see it anyway. Humans by displaying human intelligence. Okay. Humans by displaying, or we can say it as by simulating intelligence. Anything. Okay. So this is what is artificial intelligence. Now, this is again a pretty much a normal definition which is evolved over the time. So what you're going to do it in this is, um, as We know it. Coding wise, we know it, how we have to do it. Now, here, I will give it as there will be a model. We know what is a model, and we have done the model also. There will be a model. Okay. To this model, we are going to pass the data. Okay. We will give the data to this. And through this data, your model will get intelligent. Okay, because your model extracts the all the this data. Okay, this is my model. Okay, model is nothing but it is a program based on algorithm. Okay, now when we give the data to the model, model will become intelligent like this. I'm just showing it. And if you ask any question on this data, your model will be start giving the answer. Okay, that is what exactly you can consider it as, like passing on the intelligence to a machine. This model, you can consider it as a machine also. You are passing on the intelligence to a machine or a model through data. This entire process is called as. Now, once this model acquires intelligence, it behaves like humans. Okay, it behaves like humans. That is what exactly what happens with your artificial intelligence. And when you look at, one second, guys. Okay, so this is what is artificial intelligence is. Now, when it came into the existence, as I told you earlier also, this was, it was introduced in the, or it was coined, I can say. Coined means when we use the things for the first time, we call it as it is coined. Okay, so it was used for the first time in the year the term was used. The first time the people talked about artificial intelligence, the term artificial intelligence was first coined in the year 1956. Okay, so there was a conference was happening that is called as Dartmouth Conference. Dartmouth Conference. Friends, in this college, actually there is a college by the Dartmouth College. This college was conducting the conference, and this conference was under the MIT, under the guidance, or the under the MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Here this is happened under this. Okay, now when this was, they invited the best of the brains. In 1956, there was a gentleman by the name, or John McCarthy stepped in. John McCarthy stepped in, and he was speaking about the artificial intelligence. Okay, he is the one who was speaking about the artificial intelligence. and he coined the term artificial intelligence. Okay. Now, when he was talking about artificial intelligence, now you should understand one thing. He was just giving the concept. Okay, he was not having any materialistic thing which can he can show it. Okay. uh, he was not having anything really working model over there. He came on the dais. First thing is he said that his idea is to make the intelligent machines which can behave like humans. That is what he was, the concept, core concept was all about. And he defined this artificial intelligence as science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer program. That's what it is. Like exact term was like science and engineering of making intelligent machines which simulates human intelligence. That is what his actual definition was. I'll just put on, if you want to remember, it will be good enough. The science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially, or I can say it as which simulates human intelligence. That is what is according to his definition. It was John McCarthy. And again, this gentleman, even though he was not having any working model with him, but he was given an end-to-end, complete starting till the ending, how we will build up the step-by-step process. He explained it um, in this presentation. Whatever he presented in this presentation, he explained end-to-end, complete end-to-end a process over here. And now the thing is, he came up with the concept. Now you can imagine like this, guys. I already explained you this one. See, he came up with a plan, complete plan, how we can make an intelligent machine. Okay. He didn't build any intelligent machine till now, but he was having a complete plan how he can put on the intelligence into the machines, like through data. I'll pass on the data to the machines and the models, and the model will learn from the data and it will start behaving in very detailedly. He released the paper and he explained it on this. Everyone was impressed with that. Now, this is a concept. Completely he came up with a concept, but how to implement it? So, to implementing of artificial intelligence, there are three ways are there. First one is machine learning, which we are going to learn it right now. Next one is deep learning. Next one is generative AI. Again, there are time series, all these things are there, but we are going to concentrate on these three. That is machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI. Okay, so this is a concept. I'm talking about AI is a concept, and this is nothing but concept in a sense. It is rules and regulations which we have to follow to build the intelligent machines. Okay, but when it comes to the case of okay, when it comes to the case of implementation, we have machine learning over here, we are having the deep learning over here, and we are having the generative AI over here. Now you can use it any of them for implementation. These are the three. Now you may ask me the difference. Now this difference is nothing but this will deal with the common problems like very basic level problems. We can deal with this. But when it comes to the case of deep learning, it is like we can say it as it is an a advancement of machine learning which replicates the human brain. We will see them. We will see them one after the other. And this is the way this has been implemented. Okay. So this is the concept. AI is the concept, and AI is implemented in the three ways. One is machine learning. Next one is deep learning. Then third one is generative AI. Okay, this is the way we will be doing the thing. Clear. Now, this artificial intelligence is basically categorized into based on the capability and based on the um, functionality. There are two things there. These machines like artificial intelligent machines. Artificial intelligence is categorized, divided into two types based on functionalities and based on capabilities. Okay, so types of artificial intelligence. Okay, now again, guys, the coding will be there in this. In this, whatever we are talking, the coding will be there in the machine learning, deep learning, and generative. This is just a concept. Okay, now if you can take it something like this, if you are wanted to cook a biryani, then you don't know how to cook it, you don't know anything. So you are going to get a recipe. Okay, you are going to get a recipe, and this recipe, based on the recipe, what it will have some process of how to cook this biryani, right? Step by step process. Okay, this is nothing but your recipe. Okay, and this is nothing but it is a process of getting. This is not that you are getting the biryani. Get this and implement this one and cook it. Then it is you will get the biryani over here. So this is our AI, which is having all the instructions. Implementing this one is our ML, DL, sorry, it should be DL or Gen AI. Okay, this is what it is. Now, hope you got it, the point. So here we have the coding. Okay, now this is just the rules and regulations how to build the intelligent machines. That's it. Okay. Now, These types of artificial intelligence are, as I told you, based on functionality. Next one is based on the capabilities. Okay. What is based on the functionalities? See, based on the functionalities means we are having four different types of machines, okay, based on the functionality. One is called as reactive machines. Next one is limited memory theory machines. Okay, reactive AI machines, you can keep it as AI machines means artificial intelligence machines. Here also theory AI machines. And next one is we are having theory of mind machines. And next one is self-aware AI machines. Aware AI machines. Okay. So types of artificial intelligence based on the functionality, that is reactive AI machines, limited theory AI machines, and theory of mind machines, self-aware AI machines. Okay. Now, when it comes to the case of capabilities, capabilities are like, again, how much it is capable of performing. Okay. Under this, we are having artificial narrow intelligence, ANI. This is called as artificial narrow intelligence. Next one is artificial general intelligence. That is AGI. Okay. Now, last one is artificial super intelligence. That is ASI. Okay. Artificial super intelligence. Now, this is based on your functionality. This is based on your capabilities. Let me this also. That's fine. Now, let's see one after the other. First one is based on the functionality. Next one is based on the capability. These are the two. Now, first, we are going to look at the based on the function. Okay, what is the based on the functionality? So first one is reactive machines. Reactive machines means these machines react based on the action, whatever is performed. Now you perform one action, and based on that action, it will react. Okay, based on that action, it will react. Now again, it will do it and instantly, whatever you perform the action, based on that action, it will react. But it is not having, now for example, if you are playing a game with the system, now the system is intelligent enough to understand the rules and regulations of the game. It is intelligent enough to understand the rules and regulations. But here the problem is, if you play like 2 or 3 games earlier, so it will not remember previous one. Okay, it will, whatever action you are doing, based on that action, it will give a reaction. So it is kind of a reactive machines. Okay, so it will not have any memory to remember previous stuff. So now as a human, now just take it, we are playing the game of chess. Now let's say first time you won it, you did some special type of move and you won it. Second time when it comes, when we are playing again, now second time when you are playing the same move again, I'm already prepared because I know your move. So what I'll do it is I will stop that move then and there. I will counter that. Okay. Now you may use another move and again you defeated me. Now the third time when you are playing the game, I will remember these earlier 2 moves and I will counter them. Right. This is the way a human will be doing. Now I'm remembering the previous actions, whatever you have taken. But these machines, reactive machines, are not so, they don't have any memory. Okay, they will not remember previous ones. Whatever action you have taken, it will be performing on that action. It will check it out, what are the possible moves, and it will try to do it. That's it. Now, if you repeat the same move with which you defeated in the previous game, you're doing in the same game also, it will not understand because it will don't remember it. Oh, okay. So these are a basic type of artificial intelligence systems. Okay, they are designed to respond to a specific input with specific output. That's it. Okay, they are designed to respond with specific input with specific output. Okay, and they don't have any memory to remember the previous actions, or it will not have any memory. So when there is no memory, then they can't remember the previous actions. So when they can't remember the previous actions, they can't learn it. Okay, they will not have any any chance of learning from the previous actions. So first thing is, these are the very basic, most basic type of artificial intelligence. These are the earlier systems. This is one of the first systems. Okay, and they are the most basic type of artificial intelligence systems. They're designed to perform a a specific, for a specific input, it will give us some output. That's it. Okay, it doesn't have any memory to learn from its previous actions. So this will act like, actually we can say it as, this is purely works on the present moment only. The present moment, present situation, current situation, it will consider it and it will act accordingly. Okay. Now, first thing, I will give it as, so I can put it as reactive machines are the most basic type of artificial intelligence systems. They are designed to respond to a specific input with specific output. That's it. They are designed to do it with a specific input with a specific output. Okay, but now they are not provided with the memory with which they don't have any, which because they don't have any memory, so it's not having the ability to learn from its previous experience. These systems are oldest AI systems which are not provided with any memory, which which doesn't allow it to learn from its previous experience. These are the oldest systems, AI machines, which cannot learn from past experience as it is not provided with any memory to remember past activity. Okay? These are the oldest AI machines which cannot learn from the past experience as it is not provided any memory to remember the past activities. Okay. Now, some of the key features of this. Okay. Key features are no memory. Key features. Active machines. Okay. Reactive AI machines. Yeah, I can use it. Reactive AI machines. First one is no memory or no learning. Okay, no memory or no learning. Okay. Now they can't store past experience or learn from them. They can't remember it. First thing. Next one is a fixed behavior. Now, what I mean by that is every action is being recorded with a some reaction. So, it will, 1 second. Fixed behavior. Now, these systems are they worked on the rule based. You can say it as a rule. If this input comes, this should be the output. Okay, or we can say it as pre-programmed rule based systems. These systems response is pre-programmed and rule based. Okay, they are not they can't improve over the time because they don't have any memory, so they can't remember the previous, they can't wait. Now next one is like fast. They are very fast and reliable. Now you can understand this, guys. These systems, how it will work is if a question is asked, particular question, there is already, we gave an answer to that. It's no need to analyze, no need to think. Once a particular question is asked, it is going to reply it immediately with a specific answer. That's it, nothing else. Okay? Immediately it will do it. Okay? If a particular question is asked, and it will give it immediately a response. And 100 times you will ask the same question, it will give you the same answer. That is what it is. Very fast and very reliable. Okay? They are all pre-programmed. And next one is no understanding of real world, no understanding of the real world entities. Now, for example, if you are given an answer, just think that. Now, we can say it as, so how the elephants travel from one place to another place. The question is this. And you gave an answer saying that flying. Elephants fly from one place to another place. Now, this is set. This is rule. Whenever someone asks about the locomotion of elephants, it will give you the flying. But it will not have actual real elephant features. You don't have any idea about that. Whatever you program, that is what it is going to give it. It will not have no understanding of the real world entities. Okay? And these are like, you know, we can say it as they are completely human dependent. Okay? Human dependent. Why means, see, when we are giving intelligence to the system, okay, we are using the data. And this, they are completely based on the data. So they are much human dependent. Or if you want to set up a rules also, the human has to set up. They can't set up the rules on their own. Okay, that is what it is. Now, some of the examples of this system are, there is now ham and spam filter will be there, right? Spam filters. Okay. Spam filter means if there is a specific words are there, it will consider it as a spam. And there is an old system called as deep blue system. This is nothing but a chess playing AI system. This is also we can give it that. This is developed by IBM in 1997 it was. And this is also, it will purely based on the what move you make it. It will check it out all the possible moves and it will do it. It will not have any memory of previous stuff. That is what the biggest drawback of this. Okay. And these are some of the basic informations about the reactive basic information, or we can give it about the reactive machines. Now, next one is okay. Next one is limited memory AI machines. Now, what are these? Now, whatever systems are there, they are comes under this category. Currently, whatever systems are there. Now, whatever you're talking about, the AI applications currently available, all this comes under this category. Now, they are like next level systems or advanced systems over the reactive machines. Okay, these are advanced systems over the reactive machines. Now, what is this? One second, just give me a second. Okay, these are nothing but you can consider them as current, whatever the current systems are there, which will coming under this category. They are an next level systems over the reactive machines. Okay, with like enhanced systems or enhanced AI systems over reactive machines. These are enhanced next level systems, AI systems over reactive machines. Enhanced next level AI systems over reactive machines. Okay. Now, these are enhanced next level AI systems over reactive AI machines. Now, how you will define them? You can say that the limited memory AI machines are um, these are like current generation AI systems. All they comes under the category whatever the current generation AI systems are there. This all comes under this category. These are current generation artificial AI systems. AI systems or machines, we can talk about AI systems. Okay, these machines, these limited memory AI systems has the capability of learning from the past, remembering the past experience, and they can learn from the past experience. Now, they are provided with memory. These systems are provided with a limited memory, not a large memory. These are like, okay, just put it on. Yeah. Limited memory AI systems, AI systems can learn or can remember past experience or information, past information or experience, and can learn from past data, from past experience. So it can remember the past experience or past information and learn from it. I can remove this experience, double tap, we are getting it from past experience. Again, not for a long duration of time, temporarily. It can store the information temporarily, which helps to make better decisions. Um, it uses its stored information, past information, to make better decisions. Now, these are enhanced, or you can say it as enhanced next level AI systems of reactive, and these are current generation AI systems. Now, again, these are also completely dependent on the human. Okay, these systems acquire the knowledge, okay, acquire intelligence based on the data provided. These systems acquire knowledge or intelligence, knowledge is intelligence, based on the this system acquire intelligence based on data provided. Now, these systems are completely dependent on data. They are data oriented. So this data is usually provided by the humans. So these systems are human dependent. These systems are human dependent for data. Okay, this is about. Now, if you take some examples of this, and there are so many different things out there. Like the best example I can provide is as examples. We can say it as self-driving cars. They remember the things and they will use that past experience and they will use it. And we can say it as chatbots. Alexa or Siri, whatever, under this category. Now, whatever systems are there with you as of now, they comes under this category. Whatever systems we have built up, whatever systems till now, they all comes under this category. Okay. Now, the next one is theory of mind. Again, these are also having some key features. Like key features is like they can remember the past experience. I mean, since they are provided with a memory where it will store the uh, important data temporarily, not permanently, temporarily, and can learn from the past experience and training based learning. They all whatever we train with the data, they can be learning from that. So these are some of the features which I already explained it. They will learn from the data, that is training based learning, and they are provided with the what do you call it as memory. That's what I explained it. And this memory is temporarily, all the features are included in this. Okay. Now, next one is theory of mind AI systems. That's what it is. Yeah. Theory of mind machines or AI machines, we can say. AI. what are these? Now, these are next generation. This is not, we don't have anything as of now. Okay. First thing, there is nothing is there. No system we can consider it will fall under this category. Not even anything, whatever you talk about. At most advanced system, what we built also, that is not under this category. So you can imagine why we are not able to build such systems. Are first thing, we don't have such resources. Okay, we don't have the resources of where we can build such system. Next one is they are you know, the technology is not evolved so much. Okay, now, and when you build up these systems, you know, the human dependency will be less. Now, what I mean is, just imagine a system which is exactly like you. I'm saying intelligent. Okay, exactly like you through intelligent. Now, again, let's take it as you built a robot where the humanoid, I'm talking about humanoid, which looks like human. Now, if you build a humanoid now, you know, whatever the technology we have it, there are so many humanoids, they are not matching the human intelligence. No, they can't. Okay. But when it comes to the case of this theory of mind AI machines, okay, when we are dealing with the theory of mind AI machines, they will be exactly same or over you, not less than you. Then you may ask me a question. If they are exactly same, they are not dependent on humans? No. No, they are not dependent on humans because, you know, till now, if you take it as reactive machines or limited memory theory machines, or these two machines are AI systems are dependent on human, completely dependent. Reactive machines to set up the rules. For limited theory, you know, if that was dependent on humans for the like data, because they will get the intelligence through this data. So they are using this. But when it comes to the case of a theory of mind, they are equally intelligent of you and they will learn from your own experiences. Now, for example, just think that how you will learn. How you learn. Now, just think you are not provided with now, for example, a simple example I will see, guys. See, you got a job now. Just take that you got a job now. So this is you and this is your house. Okay, now you got a job. This is your office and you, now let's take it, you are staying at least like 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers away from the office. 15 kilometers away from the office. So now usually if you are having a vehicle, okay, let's take it, or you have a vehicle or you don't have a vehicle, just think that you are using the public transport or any cab you are hiring. Then, or let's take it with the vehicle, guys. Again, that will be where it becomes very complex. You have a vehicle of your own. Now, in general time, 15 kilometers, we can, with the normal speed, we can reach over like around half an hour to 45 minutes. Half an hour to 45 minutes we can go. Now, what you did it is you came out over here. Now you have to report over here 9:30. Let's take it 9:30 a.m. And you thought that, okay, 45 minutes, the max I take it. So let's get out at 8:30. That should be enough for me to reach. I will reach 15 minutes before and I can introduce and I can go forward with the things. That's what you think. Now, what exactly happens is, now this is a peak hours, right? Everyone will be rushing towards the office. So there will be a huge traffic jams will be there over here. Now, this usually 45 minutes went on to 1 hour 45 minutes. You are supposed to reach at 9:30. Now you got out at 8:30 and you are supposed to reach at 9:30. You reached over here 10:15. You're late. Why? Because your analysis is completely wrong. Because of this heavy traffic, we didn't consider the heavy traffic and we got out at 8:30 and it went on like this. Now the thing is, this is what exactly the problem is. Okay. Now here, what we can do it is, you learn from your mistake. And next day, what time you will get out? At 7:30 a.m. or maybe 8 o'clock. So that you can avoid this traffic over here and you can reach the office on time. Now, what is this happening? You are learning on your own. You are not studying anything, right? You are learning on your own. The same way, these machines will learn on their own experience. They will not take the help of any of the books or the data. It will learn on their own experience. This type of learning, we call it as reinforcement. We will talk about that reinforcement in the future. So, but this is what this will be. Okay. Now I can say that these are next generation AI, artificial intelligence systems. These are next generation AI systems. Next generation AI systems. Which are very advanced from our current generations. Now, as of now, there is no system existing. Okay. No, it doesn't exist. No system comes under this category. As of now, we don't have any system of this. Now, these systems are equally intelligent like humans. These systems are equally intelligent as humans, with features like emotions, intentions, thoughts, and we can say it as beliefs, etc. So these systems will have all these things. Okay, they have all these things. They have the emotions, like how you have a soft corner towards your known people or your family people. How a now just imagine how a dog will show its emotions towards their owners and owner family members. The same way, these theory of mind AI systems will be showing the same thing. Okay, and they are like intelligent as humans with features like emotions and all this. And as of now, there is no system or no application is built in this category. Till now, there is no machine is built with these features which can replicate complete human uh, behavior. Okay. Now this is now again, these systems are not dependent on humans. Okay. These machines gather intelligence with their own experience. Their own experience. Now, based on their own experience. I will say okay. Intelligence based on their own experience on trial and error basis. We usually say it as trial and error basis. And these systems are, they are not dependent on humans. Okay. This is like, there's no system to tell you an example. And one more important thing is these systems are provided with unlimited source of memory. Unlimited memory, not source of memory, unlimited memory. Okay, this is about yours. Now, this you can take it as you must have heard about like clowning of a human, clowning of a human. Now, I don't know like whether you have gone through it or not. Um, um, you know, uh, some of the billionaires. Okay. Um, there is in Switzerland, there is an organization, Switzerland or Norway, I don't remember it. There is an organization is there, a company is there, which is storing the dead person's body. Now, like in our case, we are not so rich. What we'll do it is, if our closed ones are expired, just take like, very close ones are expired. Then what you'll do, we will cry, we will shout, we will not take that one for 1 week, 10 days, 1 month. After that, we will get back to our normal life. And what we will do with that body, we will just cremate. Okay. Now, what the rich people are doing is like the billionaires. I'm talking about the billionaires. What they're doing, they're having a lot and lot of money, and they feel that they have a lot of money. Just imagine from their prospects, they have a lot of money, they earn a lot of money, they are living one of the luxurious lives. Now, because of some illness, they don't want to die. They want to buy their life. So what they did it is they they stored their body in an organization. They hand over their body to an after they expire, their body is hand over to an organization. They signed a bond with them. They gave the money to them. After they die, these people come and take the body and they will store it securely in a fluid. Why they are doing it is in the future, by looking at the evolution of AI, in the future, these they can um, make them alive. How means, you may ask me how it is possible? They are dead. No, just a minute. See, the basic concept behind this is, now if you take it, why a person when you will say he is expired, when his body organ stops functioning, like his heart, his blood circulation, his brain, his kidneys, eyes, lungs, liver, everything will be slowly, they will die, right? So now there is something called as heart transplantation. What is that? Actually, the heart is dying. So they will transplant it with a new heart. So what will happen is the person life will be extended. Now kidney transplantation. Okay, there is a liver transplantation. They will be doing it like this so that they can extend it. Now the question is, why can't everyone can't do that? Is because the matching of organs getting is very difficult and very expensive. Okay, so now what these people are doing is this. When the AI evolve, like when they come on to the next generation theory of mind, they can recreate the organs of a human. Like, for example, I'm there. Let's take that. I'm very rich. Okay. I'm very rich, ultra rich, right? Billionaire. So what I'll do it is, if I this theory of mind machines are there, then I can use my sample tissue and it will generate a tissue of my category, and it will take the my organ size and it will replicate an organ size, and it will take all the organs and it will store it just like how we have the blood bank. There will be an organ bank of where my organs are stored. Now tomorrow, if my like any of the organ fails, then they can take an organ and put it, and my life will go on. And they are assuming that this will be coming into the existence by 2050 or 2060, and where the humans lifespan will be increased to 150 to 200 years. Now, our lifespan currently is 60 years with all the medicines and all those things. Now, once this technology comes into the existence, then you can extend your lifespan to next uh, like 150 years or so. Okay, that is what it will happen. Okay, so that is the power of this one. Now the last one is self-aware AI machines. Self-aware AI machines. Now, I think like I can say it as um, this is like far, far ahead of humans. Very far ahead of humans. You can't even imagine. Okay. Now, all we have to do it over here is I will just put it on as well. These machines, exact replica of humans. Okay, now here. Now, self-aware AI machines. What are this is, these are, you can take it as, if we build one machine, that's it, enough. That may be the end of the mankind if you are not able to control it. Just like our nuclear power. Now they build up the nuclear bombs and they kept it ready, right? Now what will happen? Like tomorrow a war break out, then everyone uses the nukes, then we are gone. That's it, finish. The same way, this AI, super aware or self-aware, this is called as super AI machines, self-aware machines. What are this is, all you have to do it is build one super self-aware AI machines. Okay. Then what happens is they don't require us. It can build its own army within no time. It can build its own army within no time, and it can also transform to one form to the another form. Okay, and they are far advanced. They can learn on their own. They are made of the nanomaterials. They are not made of normal metals. So they are made of the nanomaterial, which is nanoparticles. So they look like a normal metal, but when the time comes, those entire metal will be split up into a small um, particles. They will become small particles, and they will transform into a different shape. Now, in a simple way, you must have seen this Transformers movie. If you're not, you can go and see it. That is nothing but our future in the AI. Okay, these are like final stage of AI machines, which are super intelligent. So I can put it as these are final stage of AI machines, which are super intelligent and okay. I can say that these machines doesn't require, or they are, or I can say these machines are not dependent on humans, and these machines are made of nano particles, which helps them to transform into different shapes. Okay, that is what it will happen. These machines are made of nanoparticles, which helps them to transform into different shapes. And they can build their own army of super intelligent AI machines. Okay. Army of super intelligent AI machines within less. This is now again, I told you a basic example. You can look out the transformers. There you will find out this exactly the same. Now again, I'm saying this is like, if you are not having the control on this, they will just eradicate the humans within no time. Within no time, they will eradicate the humans. That is what exactly happens. Okay. Now, this is what a basic based on the functionality is. Yeah, I will stop it over here. We will continue with it with the based on the capability tomorrow, and I will explain you some of the major disadvantages or the scary events what have happened recently with this AI development, and then we will jump into our ML, and we will start with the algorithms one after the other. Chalo guys, I'm stopping it over here. Let's meet tomorrow to continue with our AI class. Thank you.